Hello guys, I'm Godiva Beauty. Today I'll be showing you guys how to do your eyebrows. First, brush your brows out with the eyebrow brush. Next, fill in your eyebrows with an eyeliner pencil. The one I'm using is LA Colors from the Dollar Tree, color black. Depending on your skin tone, you'll get the color that matches you. Just follow the natural shape of your brows. Now take the eyebrow brush that we used at the beginning of the video and brush your brows out again. This is how it should look once you filled everything in and blended the eyeliner. It's perfectly fine if it doesn't look this clean cut because you will be concealing it. Get your concealer and your eyebrow brush or concealer brush and start at the high point of your brow, following into the end piece of your brow, one straight line. After that, go to the high point again and take one straight line to the starting point of your brow. Now conceal your entire eyelid and blend the concealer in. If you feel like the outer part of your eyebrow is not as clean cut as you'd like it to be, you can add some concealer to the outer part just to clean it up a little. Add setting powder on your eyelid and the top of the brow to make it look more natural. And that's how I do my brows, my Dieva Crew. Keep watching for today's question and prayer of the day. Thanks! So much for watching my video, guys. If you'd like to see more from me, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my social networks at Godiva Beauty. That's Godieva and then beauty. Today's question of the day will be, which is your favorite, lip gloss or lipstick? Comment in the comments box below. If there's anything that you'd like to learn, any tips or tricks that you want to see me do, just comment that in the comment box below as well, and I'll be doing a video on it for you. Now it's time for our scripture of the day, Isaiah 41:10. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Thanks for watching.